And I invite the Honourable Zungula.
Progressives, ndiyanibulisa.
Great
Mr.
the
President,
Progressive
the
Caucus.
people need a leader. They can confidently say, the President hears our cries and is on our side. They want a leader that sympathizes with them, a leader that will not gaslight or chastise them when they are expressing their views on what affects them. You believe in the private sector to address our problems. Hence, last week, you mentioned private-public partnerships more than 8 times. When citizens turn to their own activism because the state is clearly failing them, the answer is not to label them vigilantes, but to fix the problem that gave rise to it. We have had 8 years as president of this country. In that 8 years, the rich have become richer, poor, poorer. Even the economy you say is growing is not creating jobs at the rate required. Instead, companies are closing. When over 1 million young people apply for 5,000 SEPS vacancies, it is a crisis that should be declared a national disaster. The reality is over 40 million people in the country are living below 3,000 rands a month, yet the food basket price, it is 5,300. In your 8 years as president, black people have been displaced from the entry-level sectors of the economy and jobs. Black people have resorted to taking their own lives to escape their daily suffering. It is black children that are dying in pit toilets from eating snacks from spazas and have to walk over 20 kilometers just to get to school. Black people in Randfontein are refugees in their own country, fleeing illegal miners that are enabled by porous borders and weak immigration controls. Black students do not have accommodation in CPUT and NMMU, and the state unleashes the police and private security on them. Black businesses receive a tiny share of government spending, are made to pay bribes for their invoices to be paid, and to receive funding from the PIC. If they don't pay bribes, they are blacklisted. A black nation of Amahlubi is still not recognized, yet historically, they are one of the oldest nations in the country. Inkosi are sidelined in the land their forefathers fought for. It was Ngonyama Langalibalele, Chief Auchumato, Inkosi Jongumsobomvu Maqoma, who were amongst the first political prisoners in Robben Island for resisting colonization. Yet the institution of monarchs is undermined by the current government. It is a travesty of justice for a party that was formed by Amakosi, treats Amakosi like second-class citizens. We have to ask this, Mr. President, why is it so difficult for you as the ANC to advance the interests of black people? We are the majority and native to this land, yet black people are the ones who suffer the most in this country. What hurts people the most is that it is a black government that has failed them, even with basic services such as water, electricity, and safety. So last week, Mr. President, when you are saying we are strong as a country, you are definitely not referring to black people, rather to your white private sector. As the ANC, you hate black people. Hence, you chose to govern with parties that are against BEE and affirmative action. Parties that openly practice apartheid in Cape Town and are pushing for Cape independence. Fellow South Africans, we must rescue the country from the failures of this GNU.
They are hypocrites.
In
This
these
GNU
coming
is full of
elections.
hypocrites.
We must vote them out. Mr. President,
Honourable
Ipalapala, you are still going to
Honourable
account
member, your
for
time has
Palapala. Thank you.
expired. The